Ash, it's always great to see you. I have a slight inkling. I know why I'm here. Probably don't want to acknowledge it, but why am I here today?
I kind of wasn't quite sure how I was going to do this, but I think so many times in my life, both my professional and my personal, you've been there for me. And I just couldn't think, there's no right way, there's no wrong way. It's just my way. And this is perfect for me to share it with you, to talk to you about it, with my team, my loved ones, that I'll be retiring from tennis. And it's the first time I've actually said it out loud, and it's hard to say, but I'm so happy and I'm so ready, and I just know at the moment in my heart, for me as a person, this is right. And I know I've done this before, but in a very different feeling, and I'm so grateful to everything that tennis has given me. It's given me all of my dreams plus more, but I know that the time is right now for me to step away and chase other dreams, and to put the rackets down.
Thank you for trusting me again. You're an inspiration to so many, and it can't be easy, but it also must feel nice to, in a way, get it off your chest. Why now, I think, is probably going to be the most common question. Why now?
Yeah, it's something I've been thinking about for a long time, and I've had a lot of incredible moments in my career that have been pivotal moments. And Wimbledon last year changed a lot for me as a person, and for me as an athlete, when you work so hard your whole life for one goal. And I've been able to share that with so many incredible people. But to be able to win Wimbledon, which was my dream, the one true dream that I wanted in tennis, that really changed my perspective. And I just had that gut feeling after Wimbledon, and had spoken to my team quite a lot about it. And there was just a little part of me that wasn't quite satisfied, wasn't quite fulfilled. And then came the challenge of the Australian Open. And I think that for me just feels like the most perfect way, my perfect way to celebrate what an amazing journey my tennis career has been. As a person, this is what I want. I want to chase after some other dreams that I've always wanted to do, and always have that really healthy balance. But I'm really, really excited.
I think it will be hard for a lot of people to understand because, as you said, you've a 3-time Grand Slam champion. You've just come off winning the AO, probably one of the most marketable athletes in the world. How difficult was it to come to this decision?
There was a perspective shift in me in this second phase of my career, that my happiness wasn't dependent on the results. And success for me is knowing that I've given absolutely everything I can. I'm fulfilled, I'm happy, and I know how much work it takes to bring the best out of yourself. And I've said it to my team multiple times. It's just I don't have that in me anymore. I don't have the physical drive, the emotional want, and kind of everything it takes to challenge yourself at the very top of the level anymore. And I think I just know that I'm absolutely, I am spent. I just know physically I have nothing more to give, and that for me is success. I've given absolutely everything I can to this beautiful sport of tennis, and I'm really happy with that. And for me, that is my success. And I know that people may not understand it, and that's okay. I'm okay with that, because I know that for me, Ash Barty, the person, has so many dreams that she wants to chase after, that don't necessarily involve travelling the world, being away from my family, being away from my home, which is where I've always wanted to be. It's where I've grown up, and I'll never, ever, ever stop loving tennis. It'll always be a massive part of my life, but now I think it's important that I get to enjoy the next phase of my life as Ash Barty the person, not Ash Barty the athlete.
Well, I know I speak for so many people, Ash. I know your family are going to love having you around more. I'm going to love having you around more, with more time with you. But I know I speak for so many people, and to say thank you. Thank you for everything that you've given to our sport. Having known you for so long, one thing I know is that you make decisions that are right for you, and they've always worked out, and you've done it your way, and I think that's really brave. I think that's really credible, and so thank you for everything that you've done for our sport. Thank you for giving us you, Ash Barty. Enjoy retirement.
It's scary.
You're amazing, and it must have been so difficult for you to reach this decision, and so difficult for you to sit here and actually speak about it. And I know you're going to speak about it more to come, you will, but I'm just so proud of you, and I'm so excited as well for what's next for you as well.
Yeah, it was hard, but it's right, and I know that brought me lots of comfort knowing that this is right for me. But I'm very excited.
Should we hug it out?
We should.
Oh, love you too.